spacious living and dining area is the kitchen that comes with granite slabs and parallel the biggest master bedroom of this 3 BHK. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will do the sample flat video of the residential project Tata Serene located in Thane West by Tata Housing. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project, which is located at Pokhran Road number 2. This is the neighborhood of this project. We will get into the details of this project, but first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Talking about the location and connectivity of this project is located at Pokhran Road number 2 in Thane West with Eastern Express Highway at a distance of 3.5 kilometers, Majivada Metro Station at a distance of 2 kilometers, Majivada Junction at a distance of 2.2 kilometers, and Wonder Mall at a distance of 2.4 kilometers and D-Mart at a distance of 3.4 kilometers from this project. Now, let's move to the sample flat video of this project. Talking about the project overview, this project will be constructed on a 7.5 acres of land parcel. Right now, we are standing at the podium level, under which is 3 levels of parking. This project has 2 phases, phase 1 and phase 2. Phase 1 has 4 towers that are already constructed and phase 2 has 1 tower which is being constructed. This tower has G plus 27 stories which will have 3 and 3.5 BHK premium residences. Now let's talk about the amenities. This project has 30 plus amenities. Over here is the tennis court of this project, and this is the kids play area of this project. Now let me show you the swimming pool of this project. Let me show you the swimming pool of this project. This project has a kids swimming pool and right in front of it is the adult swimming pool. This project also has a private gym, a multi-purpose court, a banquet hall and a mini theatre. Come, let me show you the mini theatre of this project. And this is the mini theatre. Now we'll start with the 3.5 BHK sample flat tour of this project. This 3.5 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 1280 square feet. Let's start with the tour. As we enter, you have a very spacious living and dining area. You can place your sofas, your center tables and customize your TV unit as per your choice. You will get a full French windows with the balcony and you can customize the balcony and place your center table, your tea tables, you will get marble flooring in the living area. Right attached to the living area, we have this 0.5 area that you can customize as a studied unit, your gaming zone, your family lounge, that's totally up to your choice. You will get half French windows with a wall facade that will give you a standing balcony look, and you also have an entrance to the balcony from this 0.5 area. Now let's move forward. The dining area is very spacious where you can easily put a 4 to 6 people dining table and have meals with your family. Right over here is the kitchen that comes with granite slabs and parallel platforms. Over here is the dryer balcony that is very spacious where you can put your washing machine and dry your clothes. Right next to one of the platforms is area provided to put your refrigerator. You will get parallel granite slabs in the kitchen. Now let's move to our first bedroom. This is the first bedroom, which is very spacious. You can customize your wardrobe, place your bed and the side tables. This bedroom also comes with half French windows and a wall facade that will give you a standing balcony look to have a great view of your neighborhood. Right in front of the first bedroom is a common washroom that comes with anti-skid tiles and all the wall fittings provided. And all the high-end wall fittings provided. Moving to our first bedroom. This is the first master bedroom, which is very spacious. You will get vitrified tiles in all the bedrooms. This is the half French windows with the wall facade to have great view of your neighborhood. You can customize your wardrobe space in this corner, which is very spacious. This is the attached washroom of first master bedroom that comes with high-end wall fittings and anti-skid tiles. This is the space, which is the foyer area that makes your entrance to all the bedrooms and the common washroom. We will move forward to the last bedroom, but first let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project, we give you full pricing including the EMI and down payment options, and we give you a 360-degree tour of the project. And if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register yourself at housey.com. Now let's move to our last master bedroom. As we enter, this is the biggest master bedroom of this 3 BHK. You will get half French windows with the wall facade in an L shape that will give you a great view and great light. You can customize your wardrobe space in any corner that you want. You can customize your TV unit, place your beds and your side tables. This is the attached washroom of this master bedroom that comes with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. So this was the 3.5 BHK sample flat tour of this project, and if you like this project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link in the description. And if you like this project and want to do a site visit, you can register yourself at housey.com. At last, I have just one question for you. Have you ever purchased in this locality? Do let us know in the comments below, and before going, don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.